Hello everyone, this is Sweetie and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, this is gonna be the last video of this year, 2021, and I hope we get more videos in the upcoming year. So yeah, as we are almost on the end of the year, and I know we all have been trying to tie up all the loose ends that we have kept so far throughout the year. While one hand in this is in this way, the other hand, people are still trying to, get to the sense that we are going to step into 2022 in few days. Like, I'm not even complaining about it. Like, physically I may be like, going to 2020 in few days, but mentally I'm still stuck in 2019. And it's no shock because these things have been happening like quick, fast, like without knowing sometimes. And yeah, well, we have been going through all these days. Anyway, time passes, and one such good thing that every human has is we also move forward or move along the time. And we tend to step forward every single time, which is great. And I hope you all are doing well in that means. And to be specific, the last 2 years have taught us many things. Like, we have seen many things around us, and we have also learned many things. And one such thing was for me was being grateful for every single thing, like counting on your blessings, thanking God for all those things. And that is why I made the last year's video saying be grateful. I hope if you have not yet watched it, just give a small glimpse over it. And nothing has changed over this year. We have still been grateful for every single thing that we got, and we have been counting on our blessings every single day, and we have been grateful for that. Personally, from my side, I have also been grateful for all those things. Whereas in this year, something new has added on the list, and that's miracles. Because personally, from my side, in my life, the 2021 has showed me many miracles. And when it comes to miracles, let me say that when you search for them, you find them. Like, everything was going fine. Like, 2021 was, as usual, was going on with the pandemic, and as humans, even we were going along with it. I didn't have any kind of recollection of what was happening. Like, here and there I used to think about, wow, this period God really made me go through all these things. God taught me something like this. God saved me from all these stuffs. Actual realization happens when we actually look for them and we find them. So did this little girl who spent her 3 years in pain did. She searched for miracles and she found them. On a scale of 1 to 10, the doctor used to tell that she is in 12 every single day. Her pancreas was shut down, it was of no function. She underwent lots and lots of operations and had changes in medication many times and still found no solution. It was a pretty tough situation or tough challenge, but so was she. She was a tough kid for a 10-year-old. She always carried them along with her fudge brown hair, sparkling eyes, waterproof smile, and a book of miracles. It was a spiral notebook with withered ends and adorned with crayon, flowers, and stars. And in a child's handwriting, it was written, I slept all night last night. Daddy snuck a puppy into the hospital. Mom was gonna place a Christmas tree in the corner. Her body was in revolt. Her parents were concerned, and the doctors were confused about her situation, not able to find out or figure out a solution for her. But she made the decision in her life that she is gonna thank God for every little miracles in life. All I wanna ask is, why can't we? When this 10-year-old girl who has been in constant pain for the last 3 years of her life was ready enough to make the decision to thank God for every single miracles. Why can't we do that? Miracles, in short, are magical because it happens around you, but you never know it happens unless you figure it out, like you search for it. So in this last few days, or maybe when I'm uploading this video, it may be like a few more hours for New Year, let's take a time, sit and take some time to recollect every single incident. Some may be painful, some may be sorrowful, some may be happy, some may teach you a lesson, but every single thing that happened this year is definitely a miracle. So let's hold on to those miracles and cherish them and step into this new year. So yeah, I would like to end this video right here, and as usual, a small reminder, you're beautiful, awesome, and made with a purpose. This is Sweetie signing off, wishing you all a very happy, prosperous, and amazing new year. Bye!